In this tutorial, I'm going to be breaking down how to create realistic AI influencer talking head videos just like this one here.
ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Perplexity, Runway, Seed Dance. There's so many AI tools out there right now. And honestly, that's what makes AI feel so complicated. Every tool has a different login, different dashboard, and different monthly subscriptions. And that's why the Genius Club is so useful. Instead of juggling 15 different AI subscriptions, you get access to the world's top AI models inside one platform with only one subscription. So now you can research with Perplexity, write with DeepSeek, generate visuals with ChatGPT, create videos with Seed Dance, and keep everything in the same chat session with one subscription. So if you're a creator, entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, coach, or anyone looking for a simpler way to use AI, the Genius Club brings everything together in one place. Go to thegeniusclub.app to learn more.
So yeah, I'm actually going to be using the AI Genius Club to do this, and I'm going to use the AI Genius Club to do every single part of creating this video, from the prompting to the image to the video, and then I'm going to show you how to put it all together so you can replicate this and use this for your business or your product. So like that video said, I'm using something called the AI Genius Club, and inside of this AI tool, you get access to all these different AI models. So we have Claude, DeepSeek, Flux, Gemini, ChatGPT, GPT Image. We have Grok, we have Chemi, we have Kling, we have Leonardo, we have Luma, we have Minmax, Minstrel, Nano Banana. We have Perplexity, we have Recraft, Runway, Seed Dance, Seed Dream, Sora 2. Essentially, with one subscription, you get access to all these different models, which makes it possible for you to create AI talking head videos like I just did without multiple different subscriptions. So over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to my chats, and I have this chat right here. Now, the first thing that I did was actually create the source image. And how I did that was I entered in this prompt, and I'll put this prompt below the video so you can replicate it. So down here in the chat, I'm going to go to my AI model. I'm then going to choose the capabilities, and I'm going to do text to image. And then I can select what type of image model I'd like to use. Again, I have access to all these different types of image models, not just one. What I found creates the best image for this type of video is GPT image. I then come down here and I want to select quality high. For the aspect ratio right here, I'm going to choose 9:16, and I'm going to make sure that I have it on V2. So this is the highest quality setting. I'm then going to enter in this prompt. Okay. When you do that and you click send, that's then going to generate you this image here, or something that looks very, very similar to it. And now to create the first scene of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the image here. I'm going to paste that image into the chat. I'm then going to select in my AI model the video model. So I do AI model. I'm then going to look up image to video, because I'm turning the image that I created into a video. So I do image to video. I then have all these different video models to select from that will do image to video, but the best one for this particular use case is Seed Dance. So I'm going to select Seed Dance. And then there's these different settings down here. So I want it to be 9:16 aspect ratio, 720 resolution. I'm going to bump this up to the maximum length video, which is 12 seconds. I'm then going to make sure it's on version 2, and I'm going to do audio. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same image prompt as before, but I'm going to add the dialogue to it. So I can only generate about 12 seconds of audio at a time. So I have a good chunk of my script here. What I'm going to do is I'll just copy that, and I'll put that into here, and then I'll click send. What that will do is right here in the same chat as I was generating the images, it will also then generate me the video. So everything is organized and contained in one single chat window, and you can see the video is generated right here.
ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Perplexity, Runway, Seed Dance. There's so many AI tools out there right now. And honestly, that's what makes AI feel so complicated. Every tool has a different login, different dashboard, and different monthly subscriptions.
So that's the first 12 seconds of the video. I'm then going to just repeat that process, but then just change the dialogue bit here right at the end, okay? So if you look at my next prompt, I have the next part of my script, same initial image prompt, but then I just add that next dialogue piece right there, and we can watch that part here.
And that's why the Genius Club is so useful. Instead of juggling 15 different AI subscriptions, you get access to the world's top AI models inside one platform, one dashboard, and one shared workflow.
So that's the second part of the video. I can then scroll down to repeat the same process. I take that original image, copy it, paste it into this section here, still on Seed Dance, have all my settings, copy that, but just with the new dialogue. Okay, that's then going to create me the next video in the series. which is right here.
So now you can research with Perplexity, write with DeepSeek, generate visuals with ChatGPT, create videos with Seedance, and keep everything in the same chat session with one subscription.
Or if I go over here to the left-hand side, you'll see it says media. So media is up here in the top left-hand corner. And I have all of my different videos saved here that I can then click on.
ChatGPT, and that's why the Genius Club is so useful.
And then if I want to download it from here, I can just click here. If I want to save them, I can save them. If I want to throw them away, I can throw them away right there. I can even organize them into folders. So if you have different AI influencers, you could organize all of them into specific folders. But what you want to do is you want to generate your videos. Once you're happy with them, you'll download them. You can then take them into something like CapCut or Canva. You'll grab the different AI videos that you created, drag them into your timeline, make sure they're all organized and in the correct order. You can then add some music under it like I did here. And then if you click play,
ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Perplexity, Runway, Seedance, there's so many AI tools out there right now. And honestly, that's what makes AI feel so complicated. Every tool has a different login, different dashboard, and different monthly subscriptions. And that's why the Genius Club is so useful. Instead of juggling 15 different AI subscriptions, you get access to the world's top AI models inside one platform with only one subscription. So now you can research with Perplexity, write with DeepSeek, generate visuals with ChatGPT, create videos with Seedance, and keep everything in the same chat session with one subscription. So if you're a creator, entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, coach, or anyone looking for a simpler way to use AI, the Genius Club brings everything together in one place. Go to thegeniusclub.app to learn more.
So that's a brief tutorial on the Genius Club and how to create AI avatars. If you're interested in more AI tutorials, follow this channel. And if you're trying to create them yourself, click on the link below to create your account. I'm now also going to play a bonus video here at the end to show you the advantages of joining the Genius Club and how you can actually get all of these tools and generate your own avatars for totally free. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.
Every day on The Great Discovery, people are learning new skills, launching new products, and building real income by sharing knowledge with the world. The AI Genius Club by The Great Discovery is the membership that helps you do all three even better. With the Genius Club, you unlock an entire suite of AI tools, extra features, exclusive content, and member-only discounts. As a member, you gain access to over 60 of the world's most powerful AI creation tools that help you write, research, design, create images, produce videos, plan content, and turn your ideas into reality faster. You get access to the latest and best AI models, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, Perplexity, Seedance, Runway, and more. With the Genius Club, you can build a content idea with Perplexity, turn it into visuals with ChatGPT, create short videos with Runway, write captions with Claude, and keep the whole project inside one chat with one single subscription. You also unlock Discovery Vox, the Great Discovery's live translation tool that can translate all live audio and video from anywhere on the internet into your native language, so you can communicate, collaborate, and learn from people all over the world in real time, no matter what language they speak. Also, if you're both a creator and member of the Genius Club on The Great Discovery, you can translate your own content and download it. That means when you translate a course, a video, audiobook, podcast, presentation, or anything else on TGD, you can reuse that translated content anywhere across your website, funnels, social media, or anywhere else you need it. So instead of paying for translations over and over again, you can translate it once with The Great Discovery and download it with the Genius Club to use it everywhere. You also get exclusive access to special Genius Club courses, events, workshops, and training inside The Great Discovery. This membership also gives you a 10% discount across nearly every purchase inside The Great Discovery. So if you're actively learning and building, just this one single site-wide discount will likely cover the entire cost of your membership. And if you're an affiliate or creator, here's something important. The Genius Club keeps your account active. Being active maintains eligibility for network community overrides, bonuses, and platform-wide revenue sharing. But there's still one more huge advantage to the Genius Club. When you refer 3 other people into the Genius Club and they maintain their memberships, your membership becomes free while you continue to receive every benefit. And not only that, but you'll actually be making money each month off those Genius Club subscription sales too. Each of these benefits is valuable on its own, but added all together, it's a no-brainer. And the genius part? That starts right after you click Activate. So get started today. Join now and discover your greatness and genius with the Genius Club.